This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Next.js installation in VS Code. We'll dive straight into setting up your development environment, exploring the most effective ways to get Next.js running smoothly. Understanding these methods is crucial for a streamlined workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure a successful and efficient setup, helping you choose the best approach for your projects. The Create Next App command is your go-to for a quick and easy start. It's the officially recommended method, setting up a complete Next.js project with all the essential configurations and dependencies in just a few moments. Simply open your VS Code terminal, type npx create next app at latest my next app, and you're ready to begin. This approach ensures a consistent and well-structured foundation, saving you from manual setup headaches and getting you coding faster. For those who prefer fine-grained control, the manual setup offers complete customization. You'll create your project directory, then install Next, React, and React DOM individually. This method allows you to tailor every aspect of your project's dependencies and structure, which can be beneficial for specific use cases or advanced configurations. While it requires a bit more initial effort, it provides unparalleled flexibility, giving you total command over your Next.js environment from the ground up. So, which method is better? For the vast majority of new projects and developers, Create Next App is the clear winner. Its speed and simplicity get you up and running in mere minutes. However, if you're an experienced developer needing precise control over dependencies or integrating into an existing codebase, the manual setup offers that flexibility. Your choice depends on your project's unique requirements and your comfort level with configuration. Both are valid, but one will undoubtedly be more efficient for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.